In March 2024, Laura Family Farms, a cornerstone of multi-generational agriculture in Hamilton County, Nebraska, faced a crisis that threatened its very existence. A serious accident during equipment inspection left the farm's patriarch, Cale Carlson, critically injured and paralyzed, halting production across over 2,000 acres of corn, soybeans, and livestock operations. The incident immediately disrupted contracts, workflows, and the farm's reputation, forcing Laura Wilson, the eldest daughter and rising leader, to take on unprecedented responsibility. With only 48 hours to stabilize the operation, she faced a test of resilience, leadership, and innovation that would redefine the farm's future. The accident and immediate impact. While overseeing a mechanized harvesting system, Cale Carlson suffered a severe accident that required months of rehabilitation at Grand Island Medical Center. As a fourth-generation farmer and technical backbone of the operation, his absence created an immediate gap in both management and technical expertise. Early season yields declined by over 18%, and critical agreements for seed, machinery, and product distribution faced suspension or renegotiation. The farm's operational rhythm, built over 5 generations, was suddenly disrupted. Laura and her husband, Grant Wilson, had to step in immediately, assuming responsibility for every aspect of the farm, from crop planning to machinery oversight. Taking command amid chaos. With production in jeopardy, Laura Wilson assumed overall coordination, while Grant Wilson focused on mechanized operations and crop cultivation. Her siblings, Ethan, Amanda, Adam, and David, temporarily shifted schedules and left other commitments to support the farm's workforce. Their mother, Megan Nelson Carlson, organized logistics, managed documentation, and coordinated medical and mechanical support for Cale. This rapid redeployment of family members was critical to maintaining the farm's functionality during the crisis. The family's immediate actions prevented a complete collapse, demonstrating how deep-rooted values of collaboration, responsibility, and hands-on experience could serve as the foundation for crisis management. Operational disruption and strategic reassessment. The accident revealed vulnerabilities in the farm's dependency on a single key technical leader. Laura recognized that operational continuity required structural changes. By mid-2024, internal reviews highlighted gaps in machinery maintenance, personnel training, and safety protocols. Cooperative agreements with suppliers and distributors were renegotiated to accommodate delays. Laura publicly emphasized the need for operational standardization in family farming, advocating for systemic changes to reduce risk. This reassessment became the first step toward a more resilient model. She also stressed the importance of safety standards in agriculture, noting that mechanization without uniform training and maintenance protocols can create catastrophic risks. Community response and support systems. The crisis sparked an outpouring of support from the local community, government agencies, and farmer networks. Neighboring farms shared equipment and storage, while temporary grants and tax rebates helped maintain seasonal labor. Religious organizations, including Hamilton Catholic Church, offered emotional support, counseling, and fundraising to assist the family during Cale Carlson's recovery. These networks reinforced the farm's resilience, demonstrating that survival depended not only on family effort, but also on social and community engagement. Laura recognized that strengthening external support systems was as vital as internal restructuring, a realization that would inform future operations and community-based safety initiatives. Family leadership and coordination. Laura Wilson's leadership was defined by her ability to coordinate complex workflows while maintaining morale. She supervised internal training on occupational safety, emergency procedures, and equipment maintenance, ensuring all family members and seasonal workers were aligned with new protocols. Grant Wilson focused on technical operations, monitoring machinery, and supervising repairs, while Megan Carlson managed logistics and communication with healthcare and equipment providers. Laura's siblings actively participated in production, balancing education and farm responsibilities. This collaborative model demonstrated how clearly defined roles, based on each member's strengths, can stabilize operations under extreme stress, maintaining both productivity and organizational cohesion, preserving legacy while embracing change. Carlson Farms, founded in 1910 by a Swedish immigrant, had always balanced tradition with innovation. Laura, raised in this environment, had early exposure to managing her own cattle herd and understanding decentralized small business farming. The accident became a catalyst for integrating modern management practices without sacrificing legacy values. Laura emphasized that family farming could coexist with technological adaptation, safety standards, and operational efficiency. She recognized that protecting the farm's heritage required creating systems that reduced reliance on single individuals, built redundancy into critical roles, and promoted skill sharing across generations. Restructuring for safety and efficiency post-accident, Laura Family Farms implemented structural changes to prevent future incidents. Independent mechanical contractors replaced family members in high-risk roles, and internal training programs on safety, emergency procedures, and equipment maintenance were instituted under state supervision. The farm expanded human resources to include 2 mechanical technicians and a crop data analyst, enhancing responsiveness to unexpected events. By separating technical and management roles and integrating technology solutions aligned with precision agriculture, Laura created a safer, more efficient operational model. These measures ensured that both personnel and machinery could function reliably, even amid unforeseen disruptions. Community-focused agricultural education. In February 2025, Laura launched the AgriSafe Hamilton program to train farmers and students in equipment maintenance, safe operation, emergency response, and first aid. Partnering with local nonprofits and agricultural businesses, the program engaged over 1,000 participants in its first 3 months. By sharing the farm's experience and practical knowledge, Laura extended the lessons learned beyond Carlson Farms. This initiative reinforced community safety, strengthened networks between small and medium-sized farms, and promoted sustainable practices in agricultural operations. The program became a model for community-based risk management, demonstrating how education can complement structural and technological improvements in farming systems. Integrating technology and data-driven management to further reduce operational risk, Laura Family Farms collaborated with research organizations and the University of Nebraska-Lincoln to implement real-time monitoring of soil conditions, pests, and machine performance. Satellite and ground-based sensor data created internal safety maps that guided inspections and preventive maintenance. Automated crop analysis and predictive risk metrics allowed for early intervention in high-risk areas, minimizing accidents and operational downtime. By merging tradition with advanced technology, Laura ensured the farm's production remained competitive while enhancing safety, demonstrating how data-driven decisions could coexist with family-oriented agricultural practices. Policy influence and broader impact. Laura Wilson's leadership and experience attracted attention beyond her farm. She was invited to join a United States Department of Agriculture (USDA) task force to modernize small and medium-sized farm management from 2025 to 2027. Her focus on non-financial risk mitigation, including worker health, accident recovery, and management continuity, contributed to policy discussions and guidelines applicable across rural America. Carlson Farms' experience became a reference model for resilience, illustrating how integrated community support, clear role distribution, and technological adaptation could prevent crises from escalating into operational collapse. Publication and knowledge sharing. In May 2025, Laura's team published Risk Management and Community Integration in Family-Owned Farms, detailing the farm's response to the crisis and its post-accident recovery model. Distributed to over 30 agricultural training and community organizations, the paper outlined multi-layered support systems encompassing family, community, and organizational levels. It emphasized maintaining operational stability while fostering social and emotional resilience. By sharing these insights, Laura extended the impact of Carlson Farms' recovery, providing a practical guide for other family farms to navigate personnel crises and operational disruptions, thereby enhancing the sustainability of rural agricultural ecosystems. The new model of integrated farming. From the ashes of the 2024 accident, Laura family farms emerged stronger and more versatile. Operations were streamlined, safety protocols institutionalized, and technology-driven oversight embedded into daily practices. Coordination between family, community, and technical teams created a multi-layered support system capable of adapting to sudden changes. Laura's approach became a case study in agricultural resilience, combining production, education, and policy influence into a cohesive model. This transformation highlighted the potential of community-centered strategies and structured crisis response, offering a blueprint for farms seeking both sustainability and growth under evolving environmental, labor, and operational pressures. Conclusion: resilience through leadership and community. The experience of Laura Wilson and her family demonstrates the power of strategic adaptation in agriculture. By leveraging family collaboration, community support, technological innovation, and clear operational roles, Carlson Farms not only survived a potentially catastrophic event, but emerged as a model for modern family farming. The Wilsons' story underscores that resilience is built through preparation, shared responsibility, and proactive engagement with broader networks. Beyond production metrics, it highlights how strong leadership, trust, and community integration can transform adversity into opportunity, ensuring continuity, innovation, and sustainability for generations to come.